Are you ready to bring your ideas to life? With Image Magic, creating stunning visuals is as easy as a few clicks. Let me show you how. First, enter your creative idea in the text prompt. Be as imaginative as you like. From dreamy landscapes to sleek product concepts, the possibilities are endless. Next, choose your aspect ratio for the perfect fit. Want something extra unique? Hit Randomize Seed to explore one-of-a-kind variations. Then, simply click Generate and let Image Magic's AI work its magic. Watch as your vision transforms into a breathtaking visual in moments. Whether you're a content creator, designer, or just someone looking to express their creativity, Image Magic empowers you to design like never before. Ready to see it for yourself? Start generating with Image Magic today and let your creativity soar.